Many of us struggle with hair that looks decent right after styling, only to fall completely flat an hour later. Flat, limp hair can affect your overall appearance, and it is a very common issue that many guys deal with daily. I used to experience this exact same problem, but by making a few simple adjustments, I managed to build more consistent texture. In this video, we will look at 4 practical methods to help your straight hair hold a natural-looking wave for much longer. First, try reducing how often you shampoo your hair. While washing your hair daily might seem like the cleanest option, it actually strips away sebum, the natural oil produced by your scalp. These natural oils are essential because they provide the necessary grip, weight, and structure that hold a hairstyle together. Without these oils, your hair becomes overly smooth and slippery, causing it to lose its shape and lie completely flat. Instead, try limiting your shampoo use to just 2 or 3 times a week. On your off days, simply rinse your hair with lukewarm water to keep it clean. This allows your natural oils to lightly coat the hair strands, giving them the natural texture needed to support waves. Second, stop using standard fine-toothed combs to style your hair. When you drag a comb through your hair, it forces the strands to align in uniform, straight lines. This uniform alignment removes the separation between your hair strands, which destroys volume and causes your hair to collapse. Instead of a comb, try using your hands and fingers to guide your hair into place. Raking your fingers through your hair keeps the strands separated, which builds organic texture and natural volume. Once you have styled it with your hands, let it air dry to lock in that relaxed, wavy shape. Third, your hair might be falling flat simply because of your current haircut. When your hair is cut to one single length, the weight of the hair pulls everything downward, making it look heavy and lifeless. To fix this, ask your barber to add layers and texture to your next haircut. Layering involves cutting different sections of your hair at varying lengths, which removes excess weight and bulk. With less weight pulling it down, your hair will lift naturally, making it much easier to encourage a wavy pattern. Fourth, introduce sea salt spray into your daily styling routine. Because straight hair is often naturally smooth, it needs a little help to hold a bend or wave. Sea salt spray adds a light, gritty texture that mimics the effect of ocean water, helping the hair strands cling together and bend. Simply spray a moderate amount onto damp hair, ensuring you do not use too much. Once applied, use your hands to scrunch your hair upward to encourage the formation of loose waves. You can let it air dry or use a hairdryer on a low, cool setting while continuing to scrunch the strands. This creates a temporary, relaxed wave pattern with excellent volume that stays put until your next wash. Making these small adjustments to your routine can help you achieve a more textured, dynamic look. If you found these steps helpful, please consider subscribing for more practical grooming guides, and I will see you in the next video.